Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can solve an issue that your SIM card is not working in Vivo V23 and Vivo V23 5G. So firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new video. Now let's move toward the video. If you are having any issue regarding your SIM card, like your SIM card is not working or you can't receive or the calls, or SIM card is not showing any option or not working, you can solve it by the way I am telling in this video. So let's watch the complete video.